In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your hosting or email password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, these clear and straightforward steps will help you through the process seamlessly. First, let's start by logging into your hosting or account. If you have multiple accounts or manage several websites, make sure you're accessing the correct dashboard associated with the email you wish to change. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the main hosting dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting services. Now, from this dashboard, look for the option labeled Emails. It's usually located on the top navigation menu or in a side panel, but its exact position may vary slightly depending on interface updates, so keep an eye out for anything related to email settings or management. After clicking Emails, you'll see a list of all the email accounts associated with your domain. This view allows you to manage each account individually. Scroll through this list and locate the email address for which you want to change the password. Once you find it, look for an option or button that says Manage or Edit. Clicking it will take you to another screen where you can modify details specific to that email account. On this new screen, there should be a section dedicated to password management, typically labeled Change Password or something similar. This is where you can update your email credentials. You'll be prompted to enter a new password. While creating your new password, remember to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Avoid using easily guessed words or common sequences, as these could compromise your account's safety. Once you've entered your new password twice, confirming you typed it correctly, there's usually a button to save or update these changes. Click this button, and Hostinger will process your request. You'll likely see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. It's always a good practice to immediately test the new password by logging into your email account to ensure everything is functioning properly. Sit back, relax, and pat yourself on the back for enhancing your email security. In this video, we've navigated the essential steps to change your hosting or email password efficiently, ensuring your account remains secure and up to date. Remember, regularly updating your passwords is a crucial part of maintaining online security, so consider setting a reminder to update them every few months. By keeping your passwords strong and fresh, you can better protect your personal and business communications from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on these steps.